Once you've completed your sample collection, you'll be ready to return them back to us at Genova. We kindly ask that you make use of our preferred courier, DHL. To package up your samples ready for collection by DHL, you'll receive a grey overpack bag and 2 return waybill documents. You can differentiate between the two. One is a single barcoded waybill document, the other is a triple barcoded Medical Express. To get the bag ready, you simply need to flip it on its back. On the back here is a clear pouch. You'll know this clear pouch because underneath it is some writing asking you to please ensure necessary documentation is complete. You can open this clear pouch and taking the triple barcoded Medical Express sticker with the yellow paper still on it, simply slide it into the pouch and reseal. The single barcoded sticker that you're left with, please hold on to this as the driver will collect it from you in person on the day of collection. From here, it's simply a case of packaging your samples into the bag. Now, DHL charge based on the bags collected, not the test kits. So please make sure that you can fit as many test kits, if you're doing more than one, into one single bag. Making sure, above all else, that you are able to close the lip safely and securely with all the test kits inside, as overpacking runs the risk of rejection from DHL, which runs the risk of destabilizing your samples and requiring further submissions. Lastly, on both waybills is a waybill number. Now, these should be the same on both stickers. And within your test kit is some instructions that inform you how to set up this collection via DHL. But on the back of page 5 is a section that you can cut out that asks you to write down your waybill number. Please write down the waybill number before DHL collect, as you can then, using the track and trace website on DHL, or by scanning the QR code that will take you straight to it, you can track your samples transits back to us. Thank you very much.